ụmụnne m ịdị n'otu Ekworocha Amakọhịa unu lee anya anyị nọ na ala ndị Owerri nke nọ n'ume Oyo Ekworocha Amakọhịa Autonomous Community the file ka ebi n'obodo anyị kpọrọ minor na-aga arụ ya aka n'ukwu ya na-arụ aka n'ukwu ụmụ ya na-arụkwa aka n'ukwu anyị ewerele early morning now. Today is the 6th day of June 2026. Onye awa onye Mbaise ya ha na ụmụ ya nọ ebe a na-emewe na-arụ ụmụaka aka n'ukwu. This young man is above 45 years of age, so like on a park if we don't want him in our dear community again. Anyị achọghị our community, so ask him can bring this to our notice. Aha nwo comrade Owasongo Charles Eberechukwu was local plan the son of a widow. As the youth president of this very autonomous community, I am here to update us and tell us that the child is packing out. We are assisting him to pack his belongings, his loads, his properties with him and his family. They are packing out of Ekworocha Amakọhịa Autonomous Community. We don't want to see him in our community again. Melbourne and Ron Mango Baby or Gakwafu. Otaka and Shemen Oboda. The other person won Yanga. No kweba na Ron na gato catalyst na moton de mado. All were panebita. Eka won Yanga from Abia State. You know where if the motor na kia ya catalyst here. What we did, we made sure na ọkwụrụ catalyst ndị ọ na-akpọ na moto mmadụ chụfụ ya n'obodo anyị achọghịkwa ịhụ ya n'obodo ọzọ cha because ọ na-ezu ohi. So onye nke officially now ọwa onye Mbaise ihe ọ nọ ebe a na-arụ ụmụaka aka n'ukwu ụmụ ka ya ndị ke nwoke na-arụ ndị ọzọ ụmụaka aka n'ukwu ya nwakwa na onwe ya wụ dimkpa at his late 40s to 50s ya na-arụkwa ụmụaka aka n'ukwu. So this is not an accusation. He was caught in action. He was caught in action. I took the little girl of 11 years to hospital for fertility test. So after everything, we have come to a conclusion to make sure he pack out from our dear community, Ekworocha Amakọhịa. So the use of the community is here. You can see him and his kids. They are packing out their properties to leave our dear community. So this is not an accusation. Let it be that we are accusing anybody. He was caught red-handed in action. He was caught in action. They all confessed. So he's packing out. I talk because I talk officially. You went to your phone, no, wait the phone here. What are you doing? We want him to go. Hey, si phone so there. Shima mo no kusa cho di ha. Na wo handle. Yes. Officially, he has packed out. Officially, he has packed out. We don't want a pile in our area. Yes, officially, the pile pack out. Anya choha onye na no n'obodo na-arụ ụmụaka aka n'ukwu. Ụmụ 11 years ka ọrụ aka n'ukwu. We don't want it. All the too bad. Yes, the 2 rooms somewhere occupied are empty. You know, we now very, very unfortunate. So today is the 6th day of June 2026. We have made sure that this people from Ekworocha Amakọhịa Autonomous Community here in Ihitobo, my local government. Makaris Nanje Chofu Yaba will not arụ ụmụaka aka n'ukwu. Our accusation. egidere red-handed. Or who can I say allegedly? No. This is as he was caught in action. Even his own son has been also caught in action too. So officially, Opa Akela out from our dear community. We don't want him again. We are gonna Allah.